I just want to thank Assemblymember Jessica Gonzalez-Rojas. We have bills that we work on together, and she is just a strong champion and an asset, not just for her constituents in her district, but for a lot of our folks statewide. Can we give her a round of applause? Absolutely. And of course, my esteemed colleagues in the Senate, Senators Hinchy and Senator May, we're in upstate New York, but this is a one-state issue. My Senate district that I represent has some of the highest childhood poverty rates in the state. Broome County specifically is number 3. And when you think about what does that mean in terms of life outcomes, I don't want to be redundant, but these are fundamental needs. We're all human beings, right? Yes, we're all human here. And so the need for food is a fundamental need. And so it is imperative that as a state, when we talk about in a budget where we're figuring out where we're making negotiations, this is a non-negotiable, in my opinion. Yes. Making sure that residents in our communities, children and families are fed, because we know not just simply from an economic standpoint, not just simply from an academic standpoint, but also from a health standpoint. We know there's data that demonstrates that nutrition and lack of nutritional access is directly linked to disparate health outcomes, especially in underserved communities, especially in communities of color, where these issues hit home in many ways, and also in rural communities. And so this is also a public health issue, and it is important that we invest and fully fund these programs. I want to thank all of the advocates that are here, not just today, but are working every day. I don't know if anyone has ever had the experience of participating in a food pantry. Prior to my coming into the Senate, I used to help organize mobile food pantries in my community. And when you talk about the stigmas, a lot of times people think that folks who are seeking these services are folks who are desolate or destitute, when in fact, these are folks who are middle-income families, supervisors, managers, who have fallen on hard times, it is necessary for them to go to food pantries to get food for themselves and their families. And so that's why I said that this isn't just an issue that impacts one county or one district. This is a statewide issue, and it requires significant statewide equitable investment. And I'm proud to be a sponsor in all of these bills, and I look forward to us getting these bills over the finish line in this year's budget and beyond. Thank you all so much.